Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will share our new website where you can learn new skills and gain your experience in any field which is suitable for you and according to your ambitions. So before going to the video, kindly request to you subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for upcoming latest notifications from this YouTube channel. So it's a website udemy.com is one of the largest online educational platform out there. You will be pleased to know that they offer over 183,000 plus courses and more than 44 million students. Udemy describe themselves as the leading global marketplace for learning and instruction. They provide access to the thousands of courses produced by independent instructors to the millions of students. Udemy provides access to the training courses for individuals, to businesses, and provides a platform for instructors and experts to host their own courses content. However, it doesn't mean that Udemy is the right educational platform to enhance your knowledge and skills. Is Udemy content exactly what you are looking for? Let's find out what all the fuzz is about in the depth Udemy review. Udemy courses are affordable, starting at $11.99 and go up to $199. Udemy is offering close to 600 free courses on a selection of topics from WordPress to fitness. If the courses was not what you expected, Udemy will give your money back, no question asked. Udemy will grant you access to every course you have purchased for life, offering more than 183,000 plus on 30 of categories and dozens of subcategories. You really will be spoiled for choice. Also, the courses are not officially accredited. You will be given a certificate of completion for paid courses only. Udemy is an online learning platform offering thousands of affordable online courses, where users can learn new skills or improve existing ones. Certificates are given at courses completions, but those are not officially accredited. Any Udemy purchased courses come with a lifetime access and 30-day refund policy. There are also a bunch of free courses. Courses vary from beginner to advanced levels, so you will certainly find a course that is suited to your skills and ambitions. The diversity of its courses really makes Udemy stands out from other competitors like Skillshare or Pluralsight.com. The fact is that Udemy is open to everyone. It doesn't matter if you don't have any prior experience. Udemy is good for professionals looking to gain skills, people looking for a career change, students looking to complement their studies, those looking for free courses, individuals looking to publish their own courses, and international students looking for courses not just in English language. How to create your account on udemy.com? Click on sign up, fill out this form, put your name, email address, password, and check out this blank circle and click on sign up. After you do this, you have successfully created your account. I have already an account on this website, so just for showing to you, I will create a new account using Tampmail. Copy the email address and paste here. Put the full name and choose password. Check out this and click on sign up. That's it. This website send a confirmation link to your email address. Go to your Gmail account and open this email and verify your Udemy account. Click on yes, confirm your account and sign up to get deal, personalized recommendation and announcement from instructors. Click on yes for verify your account. Now your account is 100% verified, and you can use your account for learning new skills and gain your experience using udemy.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and comment and subscribe my channel for upcoming new latest videos. We will meet in our next video. Take care. Goodbye.